This bright and big grudge seat spent $20,000. A four-handed Mercedes-Benz purchased from a friend. I found that the shock absorber was leaking before even got home. The shock absorbers in for second stores are only replaced and not repaired. Replace all four together for a total price of £5,000. Car owners cannot afford it. I want to find a friend to take charge of it, but I found out that my friend had blocked me. Smart car owner takes out his phone from his pocket. Leave a message on my video to contact me for repairs. Can you tell me how much is suitable for this kind of repair? Discuss in the comments section.